I'm gonna give you 10 tips on how to retain length and how to care your hair. So if you're new here, I am Sincere Sandy. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please, I'm waiting. I'll wait for you to subscribe. It is penniless, it's no cost, it's free. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, all those good things. Okay, so I'll wait. I know you're waiting to hear these tips so much. Please. Okay, good. Okay, yes, thank you for subscribing. The first tip is being gentle with your hair. Okay, so are you being gentle with your hair when combing or brushing your hair? Minimal manipulation has been key for me for retaining length. So if you don't know what that means, is whenever you washing your hair or you brushing, you moisturizing, you can use your fingers to smooth your hair out, to detangle your hair instead of using a comb or a brush. If you're being harsh or rough to your hair, it can cause breakage. And when our hair breaks, that means, you know, we're losing hair. Our hair is cutting off, our hair is coming out. Our hair want to be growing. If it's growing, it want to be as thick and full as and healthy. Number 2, are you keeping your hair moisturized? Yes, moisturizing your hair, it's key, it's important. Our hair needs that moisture. Okay, just like how we need the water, the earth needs the water, the trees need the water, the animals needs water, food to survive. Okay, our hair also needs that moisture. You need to drink more water if you're not doing so. Whenever you're moisturizing your hair, you need a spritz bottle like this one. So if you don't have a spritz bottle, this is just water I have in my spritz bottle. And whenever you're moisturizing, if you have thick, coarse, strong hair and you're moisturizing daily as a daily moisturizer, you can just simply use water. Water, it is so hydrating. Your hair needs it. Our hair needs it. Okay, when you're moisturizing your hair, be sure to moisturize from the roots to the ends. Our ends needs attention as well. Our ends is part of our hair. Okay, yes. Number 3, when you go to bed, do you use a satin scarf or a satin bonnet? Satin does not dry out your hair. Okay, so any other material such as cotton, polyester, they dry out our hair, they suck the moisture from our hair. We need that silk. Silk keeps the moisture in, it doesn't suck, take any nutrients out of our hair. And again, satin does not damage or dry our hair. We need that satin. Okay, you need that satin. Go and get a satin scarf or a satin bonnet for your hair. Okay, 4, so do you take multivitamins for your hair? Our hair needs sufficient amount of minerals and vitamins to grow. Good vitamins to take are vitamin A, B, C, D, E, zinc, iron, proteins. So yes, we need that vitamins to grow our hair. Okay, to help grow our hair. Okay, ladies, yes. Number 5, is your stress level high? Just breathe. Inhale, exhale. Stress can kill us. Stress can stunt our hair growth. Yes, ladies, stress. Stress can push our hair follicles into a resting state so that our hair don't produce new strands. So over time, hair can fall out more easily even if you're just washing it, combing, touching, you know. So be extremely careful when we're going through certain situations, stressful situation. Be extremely careful. Okay, so yes, that's another factor why your hair isn't growing or you're not retaining any length. Stress. Be extremely careful, please. Number 6, do you use direct heat in your hair regularly? I'll wait, because I know we all are guilty of that one. Okay, so the blow dryer, the curling iron, the flat irons are not, I repeat, are not our friend. Okay, they are not our friends. And again, if you want to see your hair grow, retain length, thick, natural, please say bye-bye to those. So as far as trying to retain length is concerned, if you use direct heat regularly in your hair, it is a problem. So that's probably why your hair is not growing. The heat may just cause some of that growth to break and split. Get rid of those things. They are not our friend. Okay, they are not our friend. And number 7, do you regularly wear your hair in styles that cause tension? Heavy hairstyles, tight hairstyles. They strain our hair or pull our hair. So when they strain and pull our hair damage, splits, cause breakage, damage our hair. Okay, so be careful with tight buns, ponytails, braids, weaves, and wigs. If you want your edges, ladies, please avoid wearing too much wigs. Okay, tight hairstyles, braids, please leave your edges out of those situations. If you're braiding your hair, leave those edges out. Protect those edges. Okay, yes. So always try to use them in a way that will put the least amount of stress on your hair, on your real hair. Okay, so don't be wearing tight hairstyles, and always keep your real hair moisturized. Whenever you're doing a protected style, if you're wearing wigs, braids, weaves, always moisturize your hair before you put in those styles. Okay, moisturize. And whether you have on a wig, please moisturize your hair underneath still. Weaves, you lift those tracks and you moisturize your scalp, moisturize your hair. Braids, do the same. Don't just leave your hair lifeless, breathless. Don't leave them hanging dry. Please moisturize our hair when you have them in protective styles. Okay, so otherwise your hair may become damaged or break. Tip number 8. So do you drink water regularly? I know I just spoke about water and the hydrating our hair, moisturizing. Oh, moisturizing, yeah. Water. We need water. Water is critical for the production of healthy cells. It is critical for the production of healthy cells. It improves all human body functions, including hair growth. Okay, yes. So if you didn't know that, here you go. And please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Number 9. So hair care tip number 9. Do you have a good hair regimen and products that your hair seems to respond well to? Yes, having a good hair regimen, it is crucial for your hair growth and to retain length. Okay, the same regimen and products don't work for everyone. I repeat, the same hair regimen and products don't work well for everyone. No, but it's important to determine what works best for you and your hair, for your hair type and for your hair porosity. I have a few videos on hair porosity, and I'll leave a link right up above the screen on my hair porosity videos, and I'll also leave a link in the description box down below. Yes, so, and I'll leave a end card at the end of this video. You will see my hair porosity videos and products to use. So the same hair regimen don't work well for everyone, okay? And your hair, in order for your hair to grow out, you need to know what products work best and what products your hair respond well to. Okay, ladies? Okay, everyone? Yes. Yes, yes. And if you don't know what is hair porosity, I also have a video for that. Okay? So, yes. Number 10. Tip number 10. Hair care tip number 10. Do you use a lot of chemicals in your hair? Hair dyes, texturizers, relaxers, they all damages our hair over time. Even permanent hair color, just to name a few, they damage our hair over time. Some chemicals can break down and weaken the hair shaft, and we all should know this, okay? Whenever we use chemicals in our natural hair like this, they break down our hair shaft. They cause our hair to break, they weaken our hair cuticles, and they cause our hair to break, split, fall out. So yes. Yes, so those are the 10 tips, and this is the bonus tip. Please, please, please don't forget to trim your hair. Don't forget to trim your hair. Don't forget to trim your hair. Get trims when needed. Your split ends will continue to split up the hair shaft, causing major damage. So whenever you wash your hair, it's quite simple and easy to, it's not rocket science to trim your hair or go to a professional to trim your hair. If you can't go to a professional, or if you don't want a professional to trim your hair because of trust issues, so whenever you wash your hair, you can always section your hair like so. You can either twist it around or braid it into three. I'm going to do a 2-strand twist. Remember, our hair is wet after washing. Our hair is wet. You 2-strand twist your hair and you simply trim the ends. As easy as that. Okay, so If you don't want to go to a professional and you rather do it at home, consider this tip. Okay, so you can do your entire head like this, twist and twist, and as you finish twisting, you trim your hair. As easy and as simple as that. So thank you so much again for watching, my lovely people. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I shouldn't be saying this at the end of my video, okay, but don't forget to subscribe, comment, share. Yes, my lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Blessings to all, and peace be with you always.